so loud in here. We're heading to Odaiba today. We're gonna take a boat. So I have booked a futuristic kind of boat. It's a 50-minute ride. Instead of a train today. Change it up. So no trains, hopefully. So yeah, Odaiba. Our next to last day in Asakusa. Tomorrow we head to Tokyo Disneyland. Oh yeah, let's do it. We are at the Tokyo Cruise Pier in Asakusa. It was a 4-minute walk from our hotel. It's pretty. Boarding the Tokyo Cruise. That is cool looking. Nice. Japan technology. There's a bar. Hey, we're taking a boat. Japan technology boat. We're turning around, head to Odaiba. The Tokyo Skytree right there. At least you could see it today. On Saturday when it was rainy, it was in the clouds. Like both decks were in the clouds. It would be not a good day to go on the Skytree. This golden building here, that is the Asahi beer building where they brew Asahi beer.
この水上バスはいつ頃から運行されているかご存知ですか？明治18年、浅草から両国の間を結んでいた蒸気車が始まっています。そんな昔から？はい。
Boats here are fascinating. They are. They're so fancy. So the first part of the trip, you cannot go on the upper deck because of the low bridges in this part of Tokyo. Once we get a bit further outside, they should open up the rooftop deck. Yeah, when they say the bridges are low, they're not kidding. I love that you can see into the cockpit. It's awesome.
戦後洪水を繰り返す隅田川に次々と高い堤防が築かれました。
We are finally up top. It feels much better up here. This is cool. I can see it okay. Yeah. They have like a little bit of a higher piece of bridge for us to go under. Right after we pass this bridge, you'll be able to see Tokyo Tower. Love that you can see the Tokyo Skytree way down there. That's cool. Getting pretty close to us, so it's about 20 more minutes, 15-20 minutes more to Odaiba. You stop in Hinode. It's a little pit stop on the boat to drop some people off and get some new passengers. But you can tell we're close to Odaiba because that's Fuji TV out there. It's the building with the giant ball towards the top. I have been inside that ball like 18 years ago. See a little train that's going underneath the bridge. We're just about to go underneath Rainbow Bridge. So at night, it's why they call it Rainbow Bridge is the way it's illuminated at night. It's beautiful. And we're just about to go right under it. And there's the Fuji TV station, a little more up close this time. Got a really pretty view of Rainbow Bridge from here. This was nice. This was 2,000 yen per person, so like $13. Not bad. Not bad at all. We are disembarking. This was the boat we took. It's the Hotel Luna. So they do have like 3 or 4 different boats that leave from the Asakusa pier. Really any of the piers for a Tokyo cruise. And so if you want a specific one, it's best to reserve it online, which is what we did.
The apple drink. The sparkling apple cider.
Oh, that looks good.
This is really good.
Nice.
I want to sit.
Maybe. This is really cute. We're gonna walk to Joypolis, which is owned by Sega, of course, from Sonic. And later we're gonna go check out the beach too. Odaiba is a really nice seaside town. It's beautiful here. I do love Odaiba. And if you watch anime, there is a lot of anime that happens in Odaiba. Yay. Very cool. Happy Halloween from Joypolis. So you may notice I'm flipping between my main camera and my cell phone, and it's because technically they say like no photos in here, but everybody has their cell phone out, so I just, whatever. But anyways, we're at the Frame Cafe here at Joypolis is how they say it. We got teriyaki chicken pizza and a BLT. Food doesn't look amazing, but it's food and we're hangry, so it is what it is. At least it was only like 3,400 yen. Also, I got a beer. Hey, nice. Nice. It's food, baby.
No one can say it isn't food.
No one can say it's not food. We found the snack stand, so we're having a little snack break. So we watched the sunset in Odaiba.
This could be dinner.
It's dinner. Sure. Ice cream and chicken, fried chicken, meatballs, hot dog, churros.
Dinner. That's why I hear that and I say dinner.
Yeah. Anyways, it's great. This is so peaceful and nice. Also, this place is full of doggos, and they're all very, very cute.
Is it rainbow or am I blind?
Not sure. We had found another stamp at Shimbashi Station, our halfway point between Odaiba and Asakusa. We also found a partial Gundam stamp at the Odaiba station. It's what they call a stamp rally, and you need to find all 5 to complete the stamps. But we took the one part we could find. Yeah, that's what exactly.
This is on purpose what it looks like.
Yeah, it's better than nothing.
It's just the shading.
It's just the shading part of the Gundam, which is ironic because the Gundam is actually in Osaka right now because of the expo. That used to be standing in Odaiba. But womp womp. Made it back to Asakusa. We were in Shimbashi Station. I found a bento stand, and I got the last one of the shrimp and some fried rice and whatnot. It sounded good. She's like, make sure you eat it before 9 p.m. so it stays fresh. Excited to eat this later. It's our last night in Tokyo. Tomorrow morning, we're heading to Tokyo Disneyland. Still technically in Tokyo, I guess. But Disney style. Heck yeah. This is the bento that I got from Shimbashi Station. It said I had to eat it by 9 p.m. Well, it's still fresh.
The clock's ticking.
The clock's ticking. So anyways, some shrimp, rice, some pickled stuff, maybe some shumai, and maybe sushi nari. I don't know even what's in it. I don't even care. Got the last one, so I was happy. Except for Shaun, who also wanted one. He did not get one.
That's fine. It's curry time for me.
Yeah, so they're gonna go out and get some curry. Tabby stopped at Moss Burger and said all of a sudden we got a text that saying that she's bringing dessert.
It could be good.
And we don't know what that means.
Burger related?
Burger related?
Did she stop somewhere else?
Who knows?
Who knows?
No, so we'll find out. But for now, for me, a shrimp bento.